Hello everyone, you are welcome to solve this nice Math Olympiad problem, which is c to power 32. This is equal to 2 to power c. So what is the value of c? Solution from here. Now we have c raised to power 32. This is equal to 2 to power c. So the first thing to do here, let's multiply both signs with 1 over c, so that we put variable c on one side and the constant term on the other side. So we'll have here 1 over c. So c and c simplifies here. So here we'll have 2 is equal to c to power 32 raised to power 1 over c. The next step here, given that a to power n raised to power m, we can express this as a to power m raised to power n. So applying this exponent property, this is the same thing as 2 is equal to c to power 1 over c raised to power 32. Now from here, let's multiply both signs by 1 over 32, so that here will have 1 over 32. So that now, if you simplify here, we'll have c raised to power 1 over c. This is equal to 2 to power 1 over 32. You can see here the base and the reciprocal of the exponent is the same here. But here we have 2 raised to power 1 over 32, so the base is not equal to the exponent. So let's proceed from here. We can express 1 over 32 as 2 over 64. So here we'll have c to power 1 over c. This is equal to 2 to power 2 over 64. So given that a to power n multiplied by m, this can be expressed as a to power n raised to power m. So 2 to power 2 over 64 can be expressed as. So applying this exponent property, then here we'll have c to power 1 over c. This is equal to 2 to power 2 raised to power 1 over 64. The next step here, we can express 1 over 64 as 2 over 128. So here we'll have c to power 1 over c. This is equal to 2 squared. This is 4 raised to power 1 over 64. But once 1 over 64 is the same thing as 2 over 128. So here we'll have c to power 1 over c. This is equal to 4 to power 2 over 128, which you can express as 4 to power 2 raised to power 1 over 128. Now 4 squared here, 4 to power 2, this is equal to 16. 4 to power 2, this is equal to 16. So here we'll have 16 raised to power 1 over 128. So we can express 1 over 128 basically as 2 divided by 256. So let's substitute this here. So we'll have 16 raised to power 2 over 256. And this can be expressed as 16 to power 2 raised to power 1 over 256. The next step here, we have that 16 squared, this is equal to 256. So this implies that we have that c to power 1 over c, this is equal to 256 raised to power 1 over 256. Now clearly here, you can see that the base here is equal to the reciprocal of the exponent. So in the same case here, we have 256 raised to power 1 over 256. So 256 and 256 is the same. So that implies that the value of c is equal to 256. Now the next step here is to verify that this value of c satisfies the equation by following these steps. Now let's verify that the value of c, which is 256, actually satisfies the equation. Now, if you recall, we end that c to power 32, this is equal to 2 to power c. Substituting the value of c here, we'll have 256 raised to power 32. This is equal to 2 to power 256. The next step here, we can express 256 as 2 to power 8. Let's substitute this 2 to power 8 here. So we'll have 2 to power 8 raised to power 32. This is equal to 2 to power 256. So given that a to power n raised to power m, this can be expressed as a to power n times m. So this implies that we can express 2 to power 8 raised to power 32 as 2 to power 8 multiplied by 32. This is equal to 2 to power 256. So here we have 32 multiplied by 8, and this is equal to 8 times 2, this is 16, carry 1 here. Then 8 times 3, this is 24 plus 1, this is 25. So we have 256. So this is the same thing as 2 to power 256. This is equal to 2 to power 256. And this is the proof. And that actually affirms that the value of c, which is equal to 256, actually satisfies the equation. So kindly follow the steps, like this video, and subscribe. See you in the next video.